Hey everybody, welcome back to DeHaven Family Farm. The sun's shining, field is soaking wet, and it's already going to be one of those days. I got to try and get this vegetable area plowed off. This is kind of the results of the spraying. Some spots have died off better than others. The spots that have died off better are spots that I had a little spray left and I hit them twice. So what that means is my rate wasn't quite high enough for the rest of the field, but you can see how it's browning here, and we're just gonna go with it. So the organic stuff does work, you just have to have the right rate. It's been five days or so roughly, I think, since I did the spraying video. Sorry if there's any wind noise. The wind just blows around here and I can't help it, so I apologize for that. But anyway, so that's kind of the results of the spraying. It worked pretty good. Again, it was my issue with the rate, just wasn't quite high enough. But behind me here we have our old 4-bottom Ford plow. This hasn't been used in quite a few years now. You can see the rust there. I forgot to coat those mold boards there in oil. I usually try and keep them coated in oil, but here's the old spring reset. And the AC on my 5140 here is not wanting to work today, so I'm fiddling around with that, and I go to pull away, and of course I forgot that the jack was down, so I bent that open. So now I have to fix that and weld that. I got to get the AC going on the tractor. We're just going to put up with it today. It's not terrible out temperature wise, but it's already one of those days you're kind of wondering what else is going to go wrong. I'm probably going to get stuck over here. There's a couple wet spots in the field, and like I said, we're lucky right now. We have 3 dry days in a row, and that's it. We've had rain before the 3 days, we're having rain after the 3 days, and we just can't catch a break with the rain again this year. Behind me here you can see one of our hay fields is looking pretty good. You know, I could probably mow it now if I wasn't doing the vegetables, you know, but it can go another week or so yet. It's fine. And so I'm going to get started plowing here, get you some shots, let you know if anything else breaks, so stay tuned for my wonderful day. Well, I shouldn't have opened my mouth, huh? I made one pass down and one back, and sorry, shadow in the way. The end of this is supposed to be attached to the end of that. Yeah, there's kind of a ball joint type situation here, and it looks like it's seized up, and maybe it didn't flex like it was supposed to or something. And this had been cracked in the past. I had welded it, and of course now that broke. So now I got to try and get this rusted bolt out and this rusted bolt out, so I can take this up and try and, well, I can weld it. I don't have to try and weld it, but I got to fix it. I don't think trying to take this and slide this shaft off, these two are probably so rusted together that I don't even want to fight with that. And you can't, for anybody who's not familiar with this style of plow, what basically this arm does is it steers your back tire. So I can't drive this up to the shop the way it is, because it won't steer and follow me like it's supposed to. So I got to try and take it apart and try and get this joint to be moving like it should a little bit, and then I guess we'll get back to plowing. We'll try. It's wet out here. I mean, this is what the end of the field looks like. You can see there was standing water there. I mean, it was sunny yesterday all day, and this is still what we're left with. Everything is just soaked. So doing the best I can here. Yeah, we'll try and get this welded up. managed to get this field done here today. Yeah, still not a great day. I don't know if anybody noticed in the last clip, but there's something missing here. Yeah, so I got out at one point and my tire was hissing. It was near the end. I thought I could finish, but it's actually right over there somewhere. It just fell off completely. So yeah, we had that happen. So yeah, it's a fun day. It didn't plow real nice because it wasn't super dry, and some of the weed growth was a little bit tall. There's a couple wet spots over that way. So overall, it was pretty well a nightmare today. And now I have to fix the tire. I did get this other part fixed. What I ended up doing, sorry, I'm letting the tractor cool down. But what I ended up doing was I went to a local guy that has tractor parts and different things, and this piece here is basically the end to a category 1 3-point hitch. The socket that was there was so rusted I couldn't do anything with it, so it was faster for me to leave it off, go down by one of those, and welded it top and bottom, and it worked fine the rest of the day here. But I did notice that some of these guys here, there's some of the same ball and socket type joints, you know, ball joint underneath, that are seized up a little bit there. I tried to lubricate them, so maybe they got worked in a little bit. But I mean, it's kind of my fault. The plow just sits outside because I don't use it much, and you know, I should either cover it or oil it down or do something a little bit better to take care of it while it sits outside. So I mean, overall it's a good plow, and you can get a lot done with 4 big bottoms there. So but yeah, so that's it. I was hoping to get this field dried down and get 1 round of disking done on it today, but it's drying, but it's not going to be dry enough. It's like yeah, 5:30 already, so it's not going to dry enough to hit it today with the disc. That'll have to be tomorrow. So stay tuned for that video, guys. A lot of cool stuff coming up. Yeah, what can I say? It just hasn't been a great day. If farming was easy, I guess everybody would do it, right? So please hit the subscribe and the thumbs up on the way out the door. I'd really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope to see you on the next video.